Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades. Let me show you this week's trade of the week, U.S. durable goods. Durable goods are items like home appliances, consumer electronics, furniture, sports equipment, but not military goods and not automobiles. Those are tracked with different reports. So the U.S. durable goods report is important because those are consumer items that affect the economy dramatically. We trade gold futures. When there's good news generally on gold, it will go down. When there's bad news on gold, it often goes up. So we're expecting, we don't know what we're expecting, but we want to see a move in one direction, which helps us to have a profitable trade. The durable goods orders come out and they're very positive. They're good. The orders are going to push the price of the gold index down. Those X's are our orders. We get pulled into the market. We hit our first X there, which is our first target, and then boom, we hit our second X, which is another target, and we're out of the trade in 10 seconds literally for a profit of $230. A very nice durable goods trade. That, my friends, is this week's trade of the week. A very traditional, simple, easy to see, profitable trade, durable goods in the US. Now, don't forget about our challenge coming up. You can sign up for it. Just register with the link in this email, and I'll see you on the inside very soon. Take care, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend.